Well, we got the gasket right here. Well, I got this son of a bitch in. Sorry for the language, but we should have sent it all together, you know?
Not wrong. Well, what's up? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know, if you're new, which this video is probably the third one I'm going to upload, so you're going to be new. Like, comment, subscribe, dislike, throw it in there. But both gaskets are in. Oh, the other gasket we're waiting on is in. And guess what? This mother effer
Listen, it was last minute.
Did not film.
Last minute, all right?
Little sneak peek.
Yeah.
I'll take a picture, throw them up.
I'll give you the story when we get to it. But
other than that, we're ready to rock and roll.
All right, so update on the wheels. Git had them up for $700, and I hit him up, told him I'd give him 5, and I didn't say nothing. Told him I'd give him 4, didn't say nothing. This is a short story. We got all the way down to $100, and he was like, "You know what? I'll take him. I want chrome." I was like, "No way." Dude shows up, takes the chrome ones, gives me these nice American Muscle ones with good tires. Mine were bald, baby's butt cheek bald, and $100. So like, it is well worth it because you can't get 4 tires for that price with this much tread, let alone good wheels with them. So
it's crazy. He did it while
yeah.
I wasn't here. He was
at work.
It was a last minute thing, but they look so good, and
I think you guys will love them.
He got a hell of a deal. Hell of a deal.
That's what we'll call it. But
we're about to get to it, so we can start this puppy. All right, we're gonna take paper towels out, and we're gonna put the intake on, and then we're gonna, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys. So pretty much got everything buttoned up, snapping up. So for the intake bolts, you're supposed to torque them down to 17 pounds? 17 or 18.
Is that it?
Huh?
Is
Yeah, it just clicks. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
And there's a sequence. If I can find a picture, I'll put it up right here. And basically we just tighten it until you get to 18.
Put the wheel on. You don't go around like that.
Yeah.
So.
It's just a different sequence, but I'll throw it in and all right, let's get back to it.
Surprise.
Surprise part 2.
So, when we went to sell his wheels in the last video that you saw, we picked up, I want to say it's a Steeda. I don't really remember. We picked up a coil intake because, you know, sorry we didn't film that either because, you know, we're bad at this, but we're getting there. Yeah, we'll get better. So, you'll see us putting this on and then coolant. I mean, that's about it.
Coolant, and then we'll prime it.
and-
Make sure we plug the trunk stuff back in.
Got to charge the battery too, is dead. So.
All right, guys. I was too busy messing with the air filter. I looked over and it wasn't recording, but we got it on. As you can see, it's in. We're just going over some stuff to see what we missed, what we did miss. Everything should be ready to go. You just got to slap the battery in. Stuff in the trunk needs to be hooked up. Fill the radiator up, but we do that when it's running. So
I'm not doing one.
you're not gonna burp it while it's running?
I mean, I will, but I'm not gonna. Not right off the bat, no.
You're gonna at least fill it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna fill it and then we'll start it. And then.
Okay, so at least fill it up, and then you're gonna prime it because we took off fuel line, so you're gonna need fuel going through the rails. And then once it's running, we'll just fill the coolant up, whatever, and should be a mean motherfucker for real. All right, guys, we're charging up the battery right now. Got everything plugged in, and we're about to start it. Hopefully, we're gonna let it charge for about 5 more minutes. Uncomfy. Power? Do they work? Nice. Huh? Been a minute. It's gonna take a minute to start. Try it. Get out of here. Look at her shaking. Open that. Open this. Yeah, you're gonna need one. Hell yeah, brother! High five. No, it needs a tune. Motor mount. Smells good. Yeah, take them off. Go ahead. Give her some fuel. Hear it? Might need just that tune up that we're talking about. Spark plugs and coil packs. You want to try to drive it or no? I don't know. It smells pretty good. You? I mean, I wouldn't fuck it up. All right, guys. As you can tell, I'm extremely happy. I've been waiting this for all week since the head gas didn't get in. We're letting this charge. Ryan had a tuner, and we're gonna hook it up. Might just check a few things. Might be able to, maybe just to mess with a little, you know. So we don't. I mean, we're not professionals. I wouldn't try this at home, but if it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. You know. I think the plans are we are gonna take it down, get it dyno tuned so it runs right. It does need a few things more, but hey, we took a car that wasn't running and we got it running. Like I said, you know, if it don't work, we'll get it to work, make it work, whatever. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated on some more. But he might drive around block, he might not. Gotta see what he wants to do first.